Okay, so my aim with this video is going to be surrounded around this. So originally I was going to do a video dedicated to breaking a 2x4 in half. But unfortunately, I don't have the time to go buy one for a multitude of reasons. So instead, a simple doorstop made of wood will have to do. Now, the whole gimmick of this is not necessarily just breaking the doorstop. No. I can only do this with my body. Now, what exactly does that entail when it comes to my body? Well, that means anything that can attach to me or is already part of me. So my shoes do count so long as they're on my body. No, I cannot grab anything like a remote and try to strike it. And just to prove that, this is real hard wood, I'll just, I actually don't know. I didn't think that far of how to prove it. So because I don't have a way to prove it, if it turns out I can break this, you'll probably be able to somehow say that, oh, it's fake. You got a fake piece of wood for this video. If only I planned that far ahead. So let's see how we can possibly break this doorstop. So I don't even know where to begin with the proper leverage. I'm thinking that what I can probably do is grab it from a sort of like lower part, maybe grab like this and try to ow. Should I try like pushing the upper part and slowly trying to maneuver it to where it can break? I have a feeling it's just... It can't be that hard. It's like... It's gotta be some kind of thinner wood at the tip, right? No. I don't think that's gonna work. This is gonna be the shortest video, isn't it? Now, I do have an idea of something I can try, and it's a little bit more complicated. So I'm thinking... I'm just gonna end up like slapping myself in a really weird way doing that. It's not really working. Shit. How do I break you? What do I have to do to break this one simple piece of wood? I mean, it's not even that heavy. It's light as heck. So what's the deal, and why can't I break this thing? I'm thinking like, no, that's gonna break my teeth doing that. There's gotta be some way I can break this. Some way I can take advantage of this piece of wood in a way that I can just... God! Break, you stupid thing! My mind is going crazy. I can't be bested by nature itself. You're just a piece of wood. You can't be that terrifying and difficult to deal with. Who sent you that you had to be so difficult? I just hit myself. Ow. I'm hurting myself doing that more. Mother Nature has bested me. I have found no way in which, using only my brute strength, that I could possibly break this. I submit my fate to never being stronger than Mother Nature itself. Well, that's all I got out of that. At least I can't cause too much damage, right?